Welcome to our guide on how to allow only friends to see your high school on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile. Step 3. Scroll down and locate the option Edit Public Details. Step 4. Next to the Details section, tap on Edit. Step 5. Find the Education section and tap the pencil icon next to your high school. Step 6. Tap on the Privacy icon and then select See More. Step 7. Lastly, tap on Friends to set your high school visibility to friends only. By following these simple steps, you can customize your privacy settings on Facebook to ensure that only your friends can see your high school information. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to allow only friends to see your high school on Facebook. Customize your privacy settings to share your high school details with your trusted friends and maintain control over who can view this information on your profile.